So, you probably asking the question of how can you get free Amazon codes? These are gift card codes to add to your Amazon account balance, and you can get up to $250 for completely free. It's pretty cool. I've used it a few times. I don't like to use it too much in case I cause it to stop working, but I've used it a few times now and it's super easy. It takes a few minutes, so I'm gonna cut across to a video of me showing you how to do it. I'm in the car, so excuse the bad quality of video, but yeah, you'll see how easy it is, guys. So enjoy the video and I'll speak to you later. Peace out.
I've just thrown it everywhere, guys. That is not what you need. Well, you need the money, but you don't need the mess. Anyway, guys, let me teach you how you can go ahead and get 250 of your currency's Amazon code. So I'm going to show you how you can get $250. And it's super easy. It's a gift card code in which you can use, and it's gonna credit your account, your Amazon account. So this is a completely free Amazon gift card code. So you need to go to the following website. I'm gonna have it scrolling along the bottom of the screen as well, but you need to type it in on your mobile internet exactly like that. And I'm gonna go there. Okay, this page is going to load up. We need to find the Amazon page, so you can either scroll down and look for it that way, or you can press menu. And then in the search bar at the top, I'm just going to type Amazon. Hopefully you can type a bit better than me. I'm trying to do it through the screen on my phone. Amazon. Okay, so there we go. Free Amazon gift card code. We need to click that. It's gonna take us to this page. It's got a step-by-step guide. It's got all the information you're ever gonna need on here. So now you need to scroll down and click, where is it? There it is. Click the green button. Wait for it to load up. Now we need to scroll down and select the gift card value you desire. Obviously we're gonna choose the highest one because why not? Let's click that. Just wait for it. It's doing all sorts of things, and then it's going to search for an unused Amazon gift card code for us. Basically, these are unused codes that someone's purchased, but they're so close to expiry, they're not going to use them in time, so we might as well grab one. You can see it's given us part of the code, so we need to unlock the remaining 5 digits of this Amazon gift card code. Don't worry, it's super easy. You just got to click this show full Amazon code. And then this human verification is going to pop up. So it says we need to download and open 2 free apps or complete 1 short survey. So you can see there's a bunch of offers here, and there's information below each one telling you how to complete them. So for example, this McDonald's gift card is enter your email and complete the steps. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And it's going to give me some questions that I just need to put some answers in, and it's going to ask for my email address. So make sure you put in your correct information, guys, because this is to confirm you're not a robot trying to trick the system. So this is just, it's all completely free. It's just put it in, and you'll be emailed the code as well. I'm not going to do it, but once you've completed a couple of offers, this Amazon code is going to be fully revealed, and you can go ahead and redeem it in the Amazon website, and it's going to credit your account. So thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you next time. Peace out.